Do we see any keywords at all? From rest. So what does that mean? What's zero? Initial velocity is zero. That fair to do right there? Okay. Starts from rest. Uniformly accelerate at a rate of 0.5 meters per second squared. Is it final velocity? What units does it have on it? Meters per second squared. Alright? So that's why you got to pay attention to it. Your meter per second squared, you don't have to think anymore. You throw it into acceleration. So 0.5 here.
Wouldn't the final velocity be 4.7?
Would it? What's the units of velocity? Meters per second, right? So look for meters. Do you see any meters per second anywhere? If not, you look for other units. So what is the units on 4.75? Yeah, it's units of meters, so we throw it into D. So 4.75. All right? Now we got to know one more thing. What else does the problem tell us? Or we have to fill one thing out. There can only be one blank. So one of these, VF or T, is the question mark. Which one is it? VF. It asks, what is the velocity? Okay? And that's the only velocity we've got left. So there's a question mark there. It didn't say or mention anything about T. Okay, so we just leave it blank. So now, that's the one thing we don't have. So we go to our graphic organizer and we say, which one do we use when we don't have T? And that is equation number 3, which is VF squared equals VI squared plus 2AD. Right now I could stop, I could quit turning my paper, and I can get a 50. And I haven't really done a whole lot. Right? I've got 1, 2, 3 points out of 6. If you stop now, you've missed the easiest part. The 4th point's the easiest part. I just drop numbers in. What goes in for here? It just stays a VF, okay? So that's what I'm solving for. I'm going to keep that a VF. What goes in for my VI? 0 squared plus 2 times 0.5 times 4.75. And then I just do the math. 0 squared is 0. 2 times a half is 1. 1 times 4.75 is 4.75. I forgot my VF squared right there. And now I have to take the square root of both sides. VF equals the square root of 4.75. Somebody with a calculator, what is it? 2 point something. 2.17. 2.18. Good enough. 2.18. What? Meters per second. Meters per second. Just pay attention to what you're solving for. You're solving for velocity. Okay? Now I go to grading. And I go 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, 6 points, 6 out of 6. Hand it back. Mama's happy. As you made home. Again, watching Chipper Jones hit a home run. It's easy on TV. But you're going to struggle. You might struggle with it a couple times in first, and that's okay. But you keep practicing, and you'll get it. But it's that process, and it's that process every time. All right. Anybody got any questions? Okay. I've got some problems for you guys to do, and it's just